Everyone, how is everybody? Welcome to Etsy episode number 16. Wow, 16 already. Okay, guys, the first thing I want to do is I want to thank everybody who wished me happy birthday, who wrote on my Facebook wall, on my YouTube page, for my Instagram, everywhere for all the messages. Uh, I want to really thank everybody. I appreciate you all. I know you all took the time out of your lives to write those messages. It is very appreciated, and I am blessed. Thank you so much for doing that. I really, really appreciate you all. And I also wanted to thank Jason Static for doing an episode for my birthday. He did do one of his episodes dedicated to my birthday. We had a lot of fun. I'm going to put the link below if you haven't seen that episode already. Please go ahead and watch. It will be in the description. And I haven't been on here for about a week now, and I've been having pretty much a birthday week, taking some time off. But today I will do an Etsy episode, and I'm going to show you the things that I've listed today, and I'll also show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to be listing tomorrow as well, because I'm not going to be able to do a video tomorrow because I have a jar to do. I'm going to be opening a jar up for you guys, but I am going to show you what's going to be in the listings tomorrow as well. Okay, so let's start. Heart earrings. Okay, here we go. Okay, the first one are these heart earrings. I think they are these. No, they're not. Hang on, guys. This one here. Okay, it's these earrings here, very pretty hearts, and they have onyx stones, and then they have colorful other gemstones on here. I'm not sure what each gemstone is, but I do know that the center one is an onyx, and these are marked and tested, very pretty earrings. I listed these for $20. And as you guys know, I do always put everything off. I start them off with a 20% off sale. So they are going to be 20% off the prices that I am mentioning now. So we have these for number one. Number two is star dangle earrings here. And I do put low prices on my items because I do want to move them. So let's see. These ones here, I listed them for 10. They're dangly stars. And these also are marked in the back and tested. And I did clean these really nice. Okay, so we have these. Number three. Okay, these were the ones that I picked up wrong. Okay, these are really pretty square-shaped earrings with heart centers. The center is enameling, and it's kind of like a orangish copper color in here. And these don't have the backs, but they are marked and tested. I will put backs on them, but the backs I'll put are not going to be sterling silver, but I will add backs to them. I listed these for 15. Okay. Next, onyx bracelet. Here we go. And this is really pretty. It's an onyx bracelet. As you can see, it's really nice. I've never seen one like this actually. I've seen the stones, but never one in, in this way. So I listed this one for $40 because it is a very nice piece. It's well made. I love the clasp on this one. It is, let's see. Oh, I don't have it written down here, but in the description, it'll tell you how long it is. I think it was a 7.5 inch, but I'm not sure. It'll say in the listing, and it is, again, 20% off of the 40. And, oops, this is a really nice piece. Okay. Next one we have, oh, these are really fun here. These also are onyx here on this side. These you can turn them around to wear them two different ways. You can wear them on the onyx side, and then you can wear them on this side, the mother of pearl side. They're hoops with little dangle hearts. Really fun little earrings that you can wear in two different ways. And these ones I listed for 20. Okay. And then we have turquoise cup. Okay. This one here, it's a cute cup here. This is a Tasco piece. It is marked in the back. It's a cuff. It's a pretty decent size. I'm not gonna open it up because I don't want to break it. It has a little turquoise stone in the center. It's not too big, not too small. You can stretch it out a little bit, but I wouldn't do it too much because I don't want to break it. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. And I listed this one for 25. Okay. Next, we have a Brighton charm bracelet here. And this one has a heart charm on here. As you can see, where's the heart here? Here's the heart. I'm looking at the screen. The screen is somewhere else. Okay, here. This is the initial J. And then we have two beads here with little rhinestones. These are really nice too. And I listed this one for 25. Okay. And you can always add on more or take some off. I'm going to include this one as a free gift, the little peace sign. I did not put it in the pictures or the listings because it's missing, I think, a stone here. It's missing two stones, one on each side. Very unnoticeable, but I am going to put this one in as a gift. Okay. Next, we have, okay, Juicy Couture. I did get a message for this one here, and I did put them together, and look at this. I already got them tangled. Okay. And this one here is a Juicy Couture little cupcake. Very cute, and I have sold one of this once before. The same exact item. It's in excellent condition. The necklace is in excellent condition. Very pretty. And let me take this off. It's distracting. Okay. And I'm going to include this in here as well. It is a charm here. It's playing they look like playing cards over here. And it does have a royal flush on here. This piece here has wear on it, so I'm including it in here as a set. This piece has a lot of wear on it, but it's not broken. It's in good condition, but you can see, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it does have some wear on it, right here on the card even. So I'm going to include this in the set, but this piece here is in excellent condition. And I put them both together for 25. Okay. Oh, this one here. Okay. I got quite a few messages for this one. They really like this bracelet. It's a plastic bracelet, yellow and black stripe. And then this one also, it's a bracelet with toggle clasp, has colorful plastic beads on it, and some of them are wood. And there was a little J over here. I'm not sure who that is, but I did put these two together as a lot, and I listed them for 15. Okay, the next one here is an inspirational necklace. It's still in the box. In here, it is sterling silver. It's a little it's a little circle with a little cloud on top, and it says "Count every rainbow." And then on the circle it says "No limit but the sky." And this is new in here. It still comes with the box, and well, hasn't even been taken out of the box. And it's okay. I wanted to make sure it does have the chain on here too. Okay, so this one I did look in the back I'm sorry for that loud noise. I did look behind this little covered area here. It does say $80. It was selling for $80, but I listed this one for 15. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys, and I did get all these things. I scored all these items from jewelry jars, from yard sales, from church stores, different places. Most of them were from the jewelry jar. Okay, so I'm going to show you some other things that I'm going to list tomorrow. I haven't decided on prices yet, but I'm going to show you what's going to be listed tomorrow. This ring here with the enameling, it's a very nice piece here, well made. It's not sterling silver, but it's a beautiful piece, and I did get a lot of messages on this one as well. And then I have the earrings. Here, I'm going to be listing these ones tomorrow. And then I have this one here, the alpaca. This is for hair. It's a hair piece. It's a little butterfly. The abalone shell. And I have these two here that I'm going to list together as a lot. Because they look like they're just similarly made. Only one is kind of like oval shape and one is a bird. This is how the backs look. And these are for tomorrow. And this one here, it's a cross with little stones in the center, mother of pearl and marcasite. And these are all tested. I just need to clean them up a little bit before I list them. And then we have this one here, the little flowers inside. And I did put a necklace on this one. And then we have this piece here, the chain. And I'm not sure what the stones on this one are here, but they do look kind of like a dark, dark red. Okay. And then we have this ring here with flowers. And I have this one here that I made that I'm gonna put together as a lot. It's okay, I'm gonna include the chain and all of these pendants. This one here, this one, really cute. We have this one here that's an amber pendant. And we have the little tiny elephant. And this piece here, they're really nice pieces. And this one here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and then the chain that I'm going to add as a lot. And these are going to be what's going to be up tomorrow. So I hope you guys are all having a good day. I'm going to say good night and goodbye. Thank you again for watching. This is Anita saying goodbye. Keep your eyes out for my video that's going to be up tomorrow. I'm going to be opening a jewelry jar. It's not very big. It's a medium-sized jar again, but it does look like it has a lot of fun stuff in it because I see a lot of hearts through the glass. So we're gonna go ahead and do that tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Goodbye, everyone.